In today's video, I'll be speaking about how to definitely become unprofitable in trading, okay? What are things you can do that will guarantee that you'll become an unprofitable trader in Deriv, all right? So please listen carefully and please ensure you learn something that will enable you to avoid becoming unprofitable. The first thing is rushing. I don't know what is making traders rush nowadays, especially this year, whereby you find a person or an individual or a trader has started learning Deriv, let's say Deriv on Monday. On Wednesday, the individual comes to me and asks me, how do they deposit in Deriv? So I tell them the app and what they should do to deposit, and they say thank you. On Thursday, that individual ends up going to deposit and trade on Thursday. They discover Deriv on Monday. And then on Friday or the coming week on Monday or Tuesday, they come to me asking me what they can do to minimize the losses they are facing. But so this is what I usually say. First of all, when did you learn Deriv? Or basically, when did you know Deriv? The individual tells me they learned Deriv the previous week on Monday. How can you learn Deriv on Monday and trade 2 days later? Deriv seems easy, okay? Deriv has this illusion. When you go to TikTok or even on YouTube and learn and see people trading, you might think that Deriv is very easy to learn and easy to trade, all right? It usually has that illusion. But if you go to the market without having not learned enough, believe me, Deriv will make you learn enough. Deriv will make you learn. If you do not go into trading having learned, trading will make you learn, all right? So please, if you have discovered Deriv, let's say if you have discovered Deriv this month or even this week, take your time, first of all, to understand the platform you're using. Before you even start trading, understand the platform. Understand what volatilities are. How do they work? What are the markets Deriv offers? How did Deriv start? Who is the CEO of Deriv? How does Deriv work? How do you deposit? How do you withdraw? Understand Deriv. Understand the platform you are using first. All right. After you understand the platform you're using first, now you start with the introductory videos on how to use that particular platform. Don't even learn the strategies first. Watch the introductory videos. Luckily for you guys, you have made a full introductory playlist or a full introduction video on how to start trading in Deriv, which I'll link in the description. All right. So take your time and learn how, first of all, be introduced to the site. All right, whereby now an individual who is an expert or who has used Deriv for a long period of time will now give you advice and give you tips on how to use on different areas of Deriv, what Deriv offers, the trade types, the contract types, and so on. After now you have basically been introduced, now you can start with the strategies, okay? Luckily for you guys, as I've said, you have a full structured program from introduction to the most complex strategy. So just go to the DerivNavigatorAcademy, go to click on the name of our channel, go to playlist and watch the introduction videos and start from there. Now after that, now you can proceed and learn the strategies as you practice them in demo. Don't use your real account. Don't even deposit. Practice on your demo account. Now, as you practice on your demo account and you see some things are working or some things are not working or there are some things that you're not understanding, go and ask questions from the source whereby you are learning. Now, if you're learning in the DerivNavigator Academy, WhatsApp me or comment in the comment section on the area that you're not understanding, and then gain clarification, and then go back to demo and practice those changes and see if it works. And if it works, proceed and practice and practice. Once you have acquired enough strategies and you have taken your time to learn and practice, then, only then, you can now proceed and deposit and start trading. But please don't rush into trading. All right? I know trading seems promising. Trading seems that it will give you a lot of money, but please, yes, it will, only if you take your time to learn and practice. If you skip those two, believe me, even after a year, you will be forced to come back and go through them. So please don't skip these 2 steps. Okay? So as I said, the first step is don't rush. Don't rush. The second step, don't copy trade. I've seen a lot of people doing a lot of copy trading, people asking me if I copy trade and so on. I do not copy trade, and that is a policy because I prefer for you to learn, understand, practice, and trade for yourself. Because if you live by copy trading, when will you ever know how to trade? What if the person who you are copy trading from ends up giving you wrong strategies and you end up blowing your account? Who will you blame? Okay, who will you blame? Because nobody told you to copy that trader. So please take your time to learn and practice and don't copy trade. All right. So that is the second thing. Don't copy trade. Take your time to learn, practice, and trade for yourself. The third thing, don't give anyone your account to manage. I've insisted this in a lot of videos and people still keep doing this. Never ever give anyone any credentials or any details that will allow them to have access to your Deriv account. Because I've had most of my students even being blocked out of their own accounts. All right, or just somebody keeps on telling them some funny story. Oh, I went to trade today and then I blew it, but since you have no proof, you'll just accept it, and maybe even the trader who you gave your account to manage has withdrawn the money and used it. So please, first of all, don't rush, don't copy trade, and don't give anyone your account to manage. I will insist this and I will keep on insisting. Never ever give anyone your account to manage. You will be scammed. No matter how good the trader is, no matter who they are, never give anyone your account to manage. I understand they are legit account managers, but the level of illegitimate account managers is so high that it is better for you as a trader to just stay away. All right? And so, as I've said, please don't give anyone your account to manage. All right? Yeah, guys, those three things is what if you avoid those three things, you will definitely become a profitable trader. But if you don't follow what I've said, you'll definitely, and I mean definitely, this has happened to me and this has happened to many traders, you will become unprofitable. So for you to change, please change the way you operate in Deriv, and please change your attitude about Deriv. Okay, don't look at trading as such a complex area that you cannot tackle. Take trading step by step. All right, any complex area in life can be made simple by taking it step by step and understanding every single step. All right, and guys, if you need classes are ongoing. WhatsApp me right now. My WhatsApp number is in the description or in the comment section. WhatsApp me so that you can start immediately. And if you need good bots and good materials, as I've said, please WhatsApp me. And the last thing, guys, is having poor bots. Most traders nowadays are getting bots from all areas, from free sites, from GitHub, from Telegram, and so on. They are all free, all right? But you find that most of these bots are very defective. And when you go and trade them on your real account, you end up blowing, or if you use that party sites to trade. But then that is the fifth point, okay? So please ensure you get high quality bots. There is no need for you to get free bots that will end up costing you more than you would have spent on good quality bots. And if you need good quality, high performing bots, again, WhatsApp me, I'll give you those bots, okay? Our main aim in Deriv Navigator Academy is to ensure you trade stress-free with all the best materials and strategies in the market. All right? And the last thing, please use the third-party sites cautiously. I'm not saying you don't use them. I know many traders who have created beautiful third-party sites and many traders who use them. But please, I've always insisted on this. Please trade on Deriv.com. You can use the analysis tools on third-party sites to basically do your confirmation, but please stick to Deriv.com. You want to stay on Deriv.com. Deriv.com is the site that should be placing your money and your trades in. Use the third-party sites for your analysis. Don't even log into those third-party sites. Use them for your analysis. All right? And guys, for everyone who will register their Deriv accounts using my link, you get a 30% bonus and you get 5 free bots of your choice. All right? Yeah, so guys, be careful. Just follow those steps, all right? Because I don't want to see any one of us losing any money in trading or becoming unprofitable, okay? So as you have said, first of all, do not rush, all right? Do not copy trade. Do not give anyone your account to manage. Stay away from free bots. Those bots will end up costing you more. Believe me, they'll end up costing you more. And the third thing, use third-party sites carefully. I've not said that you don't use them, but use them carefully. And when you follow those guys, you'll reduce the level of unprofitability, and the likelihood of you becoming an unprofitable trader will decrease greatly. All right, so I hope this has helped someone, and if you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section down below. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end, and keep trading, guys, keep pushing, ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload a new video. Otherwise, guys, thank you once again for watching, and let us meet in the next one.